Yeah, boy, gotta maintain this beast clean, man. Look at this. What happened?
You got something from motormachines.com.
Motormachines.com?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, it's something to clean my helmet?
Yeah.
See better, ride safer. Visorcat?
Yeah.
Wash, wipe as you ride. Lightweight, soft and flexible, 2-year warranty. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Comes with the liquid. Visorcat. You see the liquid over here? It's pretty awesome, dude. And with the instructions. That's pretty cool. Alright. I guess we have to go check this out, right?
Yeah.
Guys, you put your helmet on, you put this on your wrist like this, put your index finger like this, and as you see right here, the sponge is under here. Antonio, put a little bit of liquid, wet it. Okay, just for demonstration. All right, good. The sponge is wet. You go like this. You gotta go from left to right, left to right, left to right, and then you wipe it. Oh my God! Does it look clean?
Yeah.
Hey guys, simple. You go from left to right, wipe it on, and then to clean the water or the liquid, you go from right to left. I don't know if you hear me that good because I have my helmet on, but man, it looks clean, man. And it's done. All of this from motormachines.com, dude. Yeah, I see him. Why not on a bike, or why didn't you ride? Because it's goddamn cold, bro.